Today we're going to be making one of my favorite high potassium soups. We're going to make a little over a gallon. It's going to keep for days. It's going to be easy to reheat. It's going to be healthy. It's going to be tasty. It's going to be inexpensive. This is something you can make ahead of time and can take with you in the fridge and heat up a bowl at a time as needed. The best part is it's made with Great Northern white beans. These are probably the third highest source of potassium in foods that you can get. Great Northern white beans are very high in potassium, right behind winter squash and pomegranate. The soup mix comes with a packet of seasoning, and this soup mix packet basically sells for $2.59. So very inexpensive. Now we're going to take a large pot and we're going to put in 12 cups of water. Add the beans. Now we're going to cover the beans and boil for 1 hour. There's all there is to that. Now we're going to wash some celery. We're going to cut it up smallish to where we have about, I'm going to say, 1.5 cups. Now for some baby carrots. As you can see, I'm not a chef. Just stir the beans every now and then, just to make sure they aren't stuck on the bottom. The last ingredient is 1 medium to large onion. here we have the rest of the fixings for the soup. The recipe also calls for 2 cups of milk. I use 3 cups and I use soy milk. This isn't actually soy milk. It's a Costco product branded Kirkland. It's organic soy non-dairy beverage. And the best thing about it is it's healthy. It's vitamin enriched. It's 100% US grown soybeans. It's dairy, lactose, and cholesterol free. There's 8 grams of protein per serving. Aside from the best feature of it though, that I like, is the fact that it's very high in potassium. It has 360 milligrams of potassium in each serving. It has calcium, vitamin D, iron, vitamin A, phosphorus, riboflavin, folic acid, vitamin B12, magnesium, and zinc. The best part about this is they come 18 of these in a case, and they don't have to be refrigerated. So that means you can travel with them in your dry goods and take 1 quart at a time. As you can see, they're not big, and they store easily in the smaller fridges in RVs. They don't take up as much space. They're very compact and sized appropriately. So that's why we like to use these. They're also inexpensive. So let's see how the beans are doing. Okay, boys and girls, beans have been cooking for an hour. They're ready to go, ready to add the rest of the ingredients. And first thing we're going to add is the seasoning packet. Not that it really matters the order. Okay. Then I'm going to add our 3 cups of soy milk. Then I'm going to add the chopped up veggies. Give everything a nice big stir with my nice big spoon. This is what it kind of looks like. At this point, I like to add another couple of cups of water just to make it the soup base, and otherwise as the beans cook and everything kind of thickens, it does need a little bit more liquid. Again, we return it to a boil and we set it for another 60 minutes. Well, boys and girls, the soup is almost ready. We've got over a gallon of white bean soup at a total cost of about $6. So this soup keeps in the fridge for a week at least. We've had it for a week, and we heat it up by a bowl in the microwave and it works just fine. So I hope you enjoy this soup. Soup's done.
Ready?
Gotta dish it up.
Okay.
Come and get it. Yoli.